This is UCAN decal set from Altenew. This is a medium-sized decal set. This decal set features 2 motivational quotes that are great for any personal space. You may apply it on any surface, including wall and furnitures. For a different look, you may apply them on canvas or paper and frame them. Both quotes will fit in a 16 by 20 inch frame. Simply unroll the decal, remove them from the backing sheet, apply to the surface you desire, and smooth them out using hands, decal applicator, or a bone folder. With just a few simple steps, you will brighten your living areas with artistic designs and inspirational sentiments. For detailed application, how-to videos, and other decor inspiration using our decals, please visit us at Altenew.com.